mem manje ani mem mallo bari ento moy ndara dawda ko jara manke kombe boss kala le ngara dula ni ko ndala bob kera they pay for me. I go to market. I'm not speaking. Let it be on record. I'm not speaking on behalf of any organization. I'm not speaking on behalf of any political party. I'm speaking on behalf of Boubacar Bob Keita as a Gambian. Men cross revolution on member care in Dunia Africa kono. Ayenda ka futa Gambia le melonko. We are going to have a young leadership. Melonko is going to be a long moment. Right now, I'm talking with facts, not with any lies. Yeah. Right now, our population, the population of Nyame. Not more keme be Gambia, more keme. More town war in Lulube, 65%. Ibe funding ke lede, many alonko from 35 to do mandreka diam wole. Your funding ke jele bi momo ya no funding ke. Ibama wole fama bela filal ko ite tambatela. So ningo funding ke use null diamta. Nga fo ko yentel lameng ka for what we are saying is we want a young, vibrant leadership. Sebajala no keta. Na roja na company yele Gambia. Alo unsta o India no na company yele Gambia. I tell staff should be body from India and the Gambia. That is nonsense.
Yeah.
Because Gambia don't let many alonko they are going to schools. Many alonko family bama school le they have to be in that position. But you cannot just sit on your corner of your TV and then say anything about me. They find it from another mujomal then they find my advice wrong. That funding Gambia, let's just be one. We can have our differences either by politics, either by religion, but at the end of the day, be one common goal. Let Gambia be like any other country in Africa. I'm very ambitious. When I thought the whole world was against me, it is the Gambian, especially the young people that came out, meaning the support. You understand? And I'm saying this with the biggest gratitude from my heart. You understand? Both in the Gambia, both in the diaspora. When I was in that problem, they helped me. They stood by me. You understand? They make so Tonya Elo and Tonya Elo, we passed that stage. And when we are into this also, Imam Bob J, Imam Ziki J, Imam any other biosong, Imam Keksana, they see Gambia. They came and then they supported us. And then I just want to make something clear. We are not making this for any popularity contest. Ala momo so menna e so wala le mo nyanta ka so wala le wallahi it is ziki ala brika bo Gambia ina ma mira ko bi Senegal mo be lo nate bari mam move ani Dakar be sri la interior mo li long so until mo start kila ngani seneyandi until mo start ka jawya bonde mo start ka jealousy bonde mo start ka unnecessary attention on nyine you understand na banko de tanoro nyar so ndaka foni gel dani menna dro wala ko nte as a person I live for Gambia for Gambia. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what other people say about me. The moment yala nde la suro ngasi no fanga krinda because ngalo ne ko at the end of the day ning fama be hapirin kama mbama be hapirin kama namuso be hapirin kama ndul be hapirin kama ala fama be hapirin kama fa be hapirin because nka salle kaso. So at the end of the day you cannot control what other people are going to say about you. But it doesn't matter if you blato. If you mo nenna iba kumandela name la. Adi alno ko lumbe satala. Ito no mari bere sirar kuntula mallo la nyatri. I swear to God, momo site kuma fanya melo kama ken sonde. Nalte yam play but another branch killing that yenta ko arjante yam play.
No fembe kuna definitely you are free to talk.
Understand? Because it stressed me. Ninga modo kasi kam oh Bobby I rapist. I laugh because biro bakela hey, I have a visa to travel. I'm going to visa the bureau of America and I sit down in this country. You understand? I'm going to name planned. So, Ningamol job to be, you can disagree with me anyhow you want. But you cannot just sit on your corner of your TV and then say anything about me. They fall in the you understand? So, I try Gambia, na banko do ya battle. Look at Senegal. Ninda Senegal, na Gambia, nkamalule. You understand?
Yeah.
Just look at how small that country is. People have to be united. People have to be one. Let's forget about our different. We can have our. I don't like that, but does that mean no? We have a very genuine conversation. As keno vitamin menke kan wala better. It ain't the convince no. Nte na later la. But it was seeing online. Ita man fen soto rek ka multinya ani ta ka mentinya ala bo sama ka nyato le ita ka mentinya ala bo la pour sama ka nyata tenale ya e dani control tenale ya e dani simona so why are we fighting each other What are banko do are still now we are back forward. You understand? So just the last one. The love fight is not for any popularity. Because mashallah, Allah mako roka. Binte Gambia, ani memmanje, ani memmallo bari ento moyle. Ndara dawda ko jama ke kombe boss kala. Ngara dula ninko ko ndolam bok. Ndolam na bok kerate they pay for me. I go to market, ngata sandroke. They give me stuff. You understand? So bar nga try do nga ngani senendi. You understand? Nga kaniyo nga kairo do amo because kala ko ila dino man timba. Foye men kanu ite fonwe. Ima kanu modo e. Kombini nda ziki nka sija. Nka foye ziki la account alama ya ya jindi. You understand? Then ndamanke I'm not a good person. And to be a good person is not about what your lips service are saying. It's about what is in the heart.
Okay. That example was under from India. The reason I go up to this level, because na jawya min suta siata. So ala my life can't move in jawol koma, la family can jawol nyato. So wala sa be from futa in position auto. Maybe a bullet no me can jawya natan tambi jawol bel. So therefore momo ka bullet no along ko ibe nyato wala sa still na block no.
Yeah, no, because même from problème mode. Biri ala bete ziki dala mansara bobla. Avansara se kanyi toure la mansara de Fatima Jamela. Ale ite dalale ibaye bump mene ite molong. So wala na ninde like nkamulje like just like bob. I just laugh. It happened long. You don't know me. You don't know my story. You don't know what I went through. You understand? Until grow up without our parents. Until we struggle, boy, bro. People think we are from no. We are from Pasay. We struggle. We work hard. You understand? From nothing. Until we self-made. Until man fem bonding na wulula. Man fem inherited na family kono. You understand? We work for what we have, thanks to people. So they never see la kona to. It come and based on just to castigate people. God bless your soul.
Okay, guys, I'll scream on you Busale F1 do you have any difficulty being in Gambia, like more than like attack or like, you know, after a fight attack or like a coup somewhere it's rubbish. Do you have that challenge?
The right now, yeah, right now, Ndara Gambia. Even bring a security in what for? Ndara Gambia, the love. Yesterday I was at trade fair and then a friend will be taka. You can no, this is not normal. Like it's only love. Like when I mean love, those are genuine love. Okay, TikTok, Facebook love today. Be more idea. So many misunderstanding. So right. These are genuine love. Men anko ye telephone. You ko hey Bob. Nde ko dia tanyele. Bila bring case ko nga insada bonde nga ngine bonde. Mashallah. I don't know. Okay, I understand. I've never been attacked by anybody. I've never been insulted by anybody. I've never been castigated by maybe Mkoma. You know, Makalamuta. Even there was a time last week, one boy came to me. You know what is funny, Bob? I hate you so much. But really? I say very bad things about you. But when I see you, I just come to comment. Yes, you understand. And the other time, you understand. I would just want to apologize to you. Why? Because in that office, nga condone nicely. So ala jusuma munyano when I was leaving, wallahi abotanam for that performance on no because konyo mama abotanam for duma. You know, I want you to forgive me, Bob. For what? I you know, you once posted something and I call you a rapist and you blocked me. You understand? So because right now I'm block na Facebook. It's coming to 1,000. Because if you insult me, I block you. That is my principle. And if I block you, make a bond. So I just want to apologize. But because he man up to that. To apologize. You understand? But now, if anybody watching me here today or you're gonna watch me later, you sit in your cover, you call and a man can get the Bob sound. Another lot sirat le purka cross. No. Because do you know why I'm saying that? Like I'm a father. I understand. And I understand. So I don't want them to grow up in a society, you understand, where they will see certain things on internet. It's not true. You understand? Ziki mole problem so Gambia. Iborta. You understand? I'm bori. Time I problem so na UK visa bembole, na American visa bembole, but I sit home to go through all the challenges to clear my name clearly in a competent court. Then I for Supreme Court. So Nimu, but I'm in Beke, and now I'm trying to build up my life. Bob should not talk about this. Are you more Gambian than me? It is my right to talk about things that are not happening that are not happening right in the Gambia. You should concentrate on your family. You should concentrate on your business. Being in the basic, we all concentrate on our family and our business. Jumala be government put accountable.
See how cool you are. Nindo lemiti be da be lankanka kirindi nan kanten, but see how cool you are, bro. It will be a masala. Nindo lemiti make will be da be lankanka kirindi nan boy ga understand man. You know, thank you, bro. Let's continue.
I did in the local media. I didn't get a sura account because they
will load the world in boy. You can't get a look at them boy and got better for it. Thank you, bro. Now I give you nicely, you know. You can't understand when the water work.
It's crazy. But Marga Bunda, Jandi Bital, the one day.
No problem. Kapa kola bo nyawa. Ko ni ndole ka krindi ne ka boy ka understand boy. You know?
Yeah. So what we so kajala ko at the end of the day, ndaka my advice wrong. Ndar funding Gambia, let's just be one. We can have our differences either by politics, either by religion, but at the end of the day, be one common goal lesson wolom ko let Gambia be like any other country in Africa. And the lintamata, linna jealous le. I'm very ambitious. You understand? I just want good things for myself. You understand?
Yeah.
I just want the good things for myself, and the same thing I want for my country, and the same thing I want for my kids. You understand? Right now, I'm saying, okay, now I have more American already, citizen all of I can go to America and sit, ngata visa ni ngata over Europe thing.
I said,
no, Gambian American.
Wow.
She's American citizen. She have American passport. My son.
No,
my son is an American passport have local. But this is our country. You understand? I'm not telling you to love me. It is your choice to love me. But even if you are going to criticize me also, criticize based on things that are factual, but not assumption or like you sit on the thing that down. People, the punching bag mode. The moment after you insult me, I just laugh. You understand? So this is my advice to the young people. So coming back to the girl, more 1,400 maybe when you can jump. So at the moment, Keneta, our Burma, I mean, is very wrong. We are not even trying to condone crime. So, Bravo Burma, yeah, some court. Now, yeah, some mile to what $25,000 is job. So right now I'm appealing to all the 1,400 people. Maybe more jibe. Kanatra mo ba solo $100 is lera. Mentora gentle bala fala jenga makoy. So na wave number is 7070345. Please malbi danila alakang nga ñu sunkuton lew makoy. Say haram na ñew la ka suma olof bi nak. Mbokki olof bi
la olof way ni xol.
Wa luma nekk di explain moy man fi ak suma brother Ziki. Deng amon bena e ka fa muso ñaari sura kauna. Jigen. Deng am bena xale bu jigeen
wala jigen ni.
Wa bena xale bu jigeen. Bena xale bu jigeen bo xamanteni dafa xé ak bena jigeenam mu gañ ko. So bu ko gañé after guy yóbbu ko court. So legi court bi dañ ko fine 25. Somebody is laughing. Stop laughing.
Wow, 25,000. Wili mo ne lolu.
Wili mo ne lolu. So legi
bena ñaar ñetti ñenenti ñeneen.
Wa bena ñaar ak ñenenti 1,000.
No, fuka juroom ñu. Fuka juroom. Ka fuka juroom. Mbok.
No, Ziki. Amanga fuka juroom de. Juróom fukk la. Juróom bolom ñaar bena ñaar de ñaar fukka.
Ñaar fukka.
Ñaar fukka. So ñaar fukka 1,000 la nit, 25,000 la nit pour mu génné. So
number 7070345 wala mu ndombati. Mo moy fema fekk membe jang kare ko bebe tuwa bu jane bebe jibiro la. So mbal dal mo moy yo minyo ero tanne lula ero mone ero kemene ye fema fenno pour ka sungri no nyina ma koy musola mu dindi wala mo yino e kan understand pour ay bonye dinkira kono kaso mo betia mbeyal no kaso kono kataraje amon beta even muso safara kew e kan understand. So
and secondly this bracelet ngay mendun thing. This is a young Gambian. Couldn't enter trade fair. Another I love you. I don't know what to give you. I just buy this for you for $100.
Yes,
So
sir.
anyone that want to support, you can just, and I'm gonna keep this for Alalalo.
Yes,
You
sir.
know.
Mashallah. I like listen. I can listen.
Yeah. No. The kids are my friend. Like, when I go out, the reception comments, somebody will just see me and hug me and say, "Bob, we love you and we are behind you." So that alone is good. So, yeah, that is it. So, I'm content about Ziki. And to everybody listening to me, I just want you guys to understand I'm just a human. I'm a human. I'm not an angel. Monkey alati, I'm human. I'm born to make mistakes. You understand? And we are all human. Jimmy now, ikanyinale. So I might offend any of you, and if I offend any of you here that you feel like they offend the matter, I'm just saying that you can just forgive me from the bottom of your mind, from the bottom of your heart. And I forgive everyone, even though but sometimes it is difficult also, I understand. So never see the internet or molbe castigate lebe and then never come out for it. It hurts me. There are times that I go to bed, I just become so angry. You understand? But then left the car from yes, and ndaman ko musibar ko mo lafa ka mem portrait or he's doing this for fame. Bro,
okay, but I have a question. Because Nkajele and Demalka comes up, Bob join into politics, comes up, join politics, Bob for president. It's la mine ye mune dila, wala mula for la but mantale la mine for it's a fame for no fana never.
No, Ziggy. Kajele B. Muso. Ila broda. Ila broda. Ani fama ni kema, ni ko ila fe jumale ke mansate. Ye fama kanu nyawonya. Ye kema kanu nyawonya. Ye ka fol ko lafta sorry ye la broda ke ka fol lafta len kema ke mansate ko di. Because ye kema la mansa wal be ke la mansa musode. You understand? So the problem is if I sit as Bob Kate and people more kata fekang ngane ka fanyo ko be ke la president. Nyanta mo fa nda fa amin. Ani ale asafel ko de zike be ke la president wala se toure kanye be ke la president. So that's a good ngani yo molbe menkeka. Exactly, it's a good wish from people. I'm not doing anything because of I want to be known. Boy, ziki bring man TikTok sono. Man fence on bet kaso kono. Ala nata ay nyim popularity dinna. So nita man finti bi nga mol tank wala. Nga finti. Nga kata karam to dinna ul tanki advice nga po al crime bula. Al kilo bula. Al katato ya bula. Al tanyinka.
Dalibe Tambila, do you know that Italata Kasokono? Akete Cairo, do you know that?
Boy, Yenda Jela, what I will tell you, my biggest blessing and my biggest time in the world when I was in prison. Because number one, 2 years, Salvador and Amanda. You understand? Number two, okay, before the entire club, I paid. I don't pay anything. I go to a restaurant, I'll be more kind of interested, they give me stuff. Ngata Marcito, Ngata Tanji. I don't want to shut Malaka video don't print in because I'm not that kind of person. But the things I will receive from outside, from people, many alongwa, or mental TikTok, or mental Facebook, or alele telekano ke will juso kono. You understand? So need to be sitting that tongue on the draw. If I fall Bob Hadley, Bob Benke can because Molly along, what I Benke on his personal interest.
You don't need it.
Right now, let me give you one example. Not picture post B. Thanks to my brother, Dada, Hussein Dada. Realist. My brother for life.
Hussein
you understand?
Calm and cool and humble, yeah. Hussein Dada.
Right now, Faraba, Mandinaba, they approached me. Wallahi, they wanted to have a tournament. At that moment, I was not having money. You understand? Because when I came out, I was not in good time with government, so no business doing it, no camera waffle, men can support you back, they are not doing it. So I have to look for another alternative for block on WAF. Because in the Manta University, but nothing can walk there. Block on WAF. And Zika, I can tell you today, either directly or indirectly, I have more than 50 people. Many are going to do the Bob Lekoto. Not company, 50 people.
Mashallah.
You understand? I'm not bragging. So next minute, you understand? I'm going to explain that. So we are doing that for the country. We are not doing this for individual quality. So ninka mo jeka ko Bob Benke kanne because of popularity. It's not popularity.
Ebe jibero dumala nonil, albe jibero dumala hatersol, ebe dumala al kungol kanje, mole mo fo kanjam kumo ni alba moele. Say not to hate. We are here. We are one Gambia.
You understand?
Yeah.
We are one Gambia. Ndama more hate. But even if you are going to hate me also, hate me based on fact. But don't hate me based on fiction. Because ni okay, ibela juru bolo si andika. Ibenta barajo wala andika. Yenna ko understand. Ada nga trend Gambia tenga nga nyomu ta banko Senegal. Senegal jele. Ni election wato ni posire ka nyo isi nyo faano ba ni
Yeah. So what about Bob? For example, because citing Nigeria, because I don't want to go to this place, but we need better Gambia. And lafa Gambia Kairola, Nimbata Mena Banko Kang Aiboje. And Dolemil move funding to be well known by people. You can say, what about Nasi, na idea ta, maybe Banko in somebody nyato. You can understand.
I'm not speaking, let it be on record. I'm not speaking on behalf of any organization. I'm not speaking on behalf of any political party. I'm speaking on behalf of Boubacar Bob Keita as a Gambian. Nte cross revolution on membe kere in dunia Africa kono. Ayenta ka futa Gambia le melonko. We are going to have a young leadership. Melonko is going to be a young, vibrant leadership. Melonko, number one. Boy bin terbesa de kono le ngalonko jumal jomati. Ngalo ne crime ka kedame ngalo ne ko men ka tapale yalke ngalo ne mene kordal sunya yelande. You understand? When we have that young leadership, when you become a leader, there are certain people, we call them the elites. Elite wall of many found Italy fountain in boys ball to start. You understand? So they will come to you and then they will give you money and then they will try to buy your ideas just to silence you. But you go after them. Like if you go to Senegal today, people like Farmangom, people like Modo, they are going after them. Aliou Salawal, because these are people many na kodo embezzle many na kodo sunya ibe siraka jibe wol dingul ata ko men fasa wol dingul na tel be kata no the same school wol dingul kata sibek wol to marif wol marina wol dingul kata wol to ya understand ni sa tata ibe kata Serekunda General Hospital wol kata Primedle Sarab wol ani other hospital to ni la fakatama wol ka business class wol leta atal kata gele kono c'est même be siri le marché kono jana ibela chalo waf kam pour kela dimbayal balunde imira about you. We don't have money to come and give to any person. Ndel mamar boto soto nga man boto ta nga ditela man sugur boto sala bantel be mem foka wolonko system onata na correcta banko fona ko correct. You understand? We are not doing this because for far too long we have these politicians here now and see them be mano kila 600 lede. You don't have the power to make mano 600.
Guys, double tap and F1, please.
You understand? Okay, I'll be making slap or men waf can thing. I have to advertise my business. Making men wafka. Making men waf can thing in slap so. You understand? Making slap so men waf can thing. So ni nara ni poete ko speak. Making slap okay le $10. Ya andal ka da ko di.
Yeah.
Nsake no $10 sile. Basa nintana re reziki yango ko menyin nyinsira me alon ko ndabe kada ngo mbake $10 si. Ita fa ba fon ndanya ma dal.
Yeah, of course.
You understand? So this is the reason wala nande ko let's grow what we can eat and eat what we can grow because nen jibe bi yena banko jibe.
Sorry guys.
You understand? Nena banko jibe bi. We are just having a general conversation. We are a blessed land. We have a very level la ni tara Sierra Leone do molka koko lete ye sije ndema mabara Sierra Leone ya understand ndara jele molka banko molka in Gambia we are blessed with a vast land like it coming for a flat land ne kolon sin domande ne banko sin domande ndro ye jio soto so if we invest so much money in agriculture imbo you understand? Import le. Everything is imported here. You understand? So all this money that we are investing on misplaced priority, like it government botol sana millions, OIC sita janne, they go and buy how many cars? President 10 la. You understand? This is what we are trying to put into Gambians, not because of Bob. We are getting
sometimes it can deal because now Loptano to la situational mantra better because from Basema I have an interview with one lady here menkata Miss Jovisti a program mo for ke pour kata ko mul ma koy borol to anim femolto you can understand and there's government be le milan ko ibe under government people knows that those people they need help la ran form or dulato and dolbe dem dalan ko la situation no be in a bad condition ne you can understand so dandi be nyim ko dol dunda nyim femol kunto nyim ko moto bal kunto wala be travel I think inyante kal hadama di wala nyanto la follow da même wala mu neti kal loptano taka borol sindiji kadama di wala ka dielta ka di mol bari gambe ka de loptano fam courant kata you can understand wo mari yesa ya ratiri mo mari do and na courant wala system mo loptano to wonyante kala 100% let because hadama di wala ni le beji sometimes false o kelo ban kata loptano ka conditional jibe pour ka reporto di because like molla hadama di wala niyo is very important and molla nyanto pour ka di banko di wala because ni aje ne tamini ne keje pour banko di wala lo e banko di wala ma ko make je pour the self interest you can understand can you people do that ali research loptano to pour kata ka polta ka jibero because loptano to la situation man repetare yeah
No. Okay. Come number one. Whatever we make in every problem, first, the problem must solve la. There must be you have to know what is the solution. Come be janiba pala ngaziki sa maleptano or ziki sa sa force inyanta kando ko bonom ziki la problem board. So for us as a Gambia, inyanta kalo ne follow. Let's just be honest to ourselves from Jawara to Yaya Jammeh to President Barrow. What is our problem? We need to have that dialogue. Come tell me along the Gen Z generation or one funny generation. We need to know what is our problem first. You understand? We have a very Gambia throughout all these three administrations. We have a very poor country, but a very rich government.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, our country is very poor, but our government is very rich. You understand? B. Na minister be motor Jamal le bornika. Motor me alan ko isang OIC maybe $8 million or $9 million. Iboro borondika. You understand? Wo a day ila running but they don't pick la mena karamuta be poor menkala. How much petrol are they spending on that? You understand? And wo akamune nafa banko e aka fende dundi bam fa aka fende, but we have to know that number one. Number two.
So you control means like banko la control level, like na tax payment money.
Tax payment control lamde. You understand? Yet for example today you go to the police. Be am robin ke Tamba Sansan, wala ke Kundam, wala ke Badar. You ko police olba motor soro. Bani dara police headquarters. Ye motor je parking GPF Gambia Police Force 1 for Gambia Police Force 13, 14. Abe be lorin je birin soman debe mo kele mbadoka. Ay ji nandore saluto kay rek ya bulande motor kono a samba. Ni so ku da rek ye number plate o nyim
Cover.
We are seeing all those things here. But most of these people in authority, they wouldn't know this because they get bandiolti. So you have to be a band. You need to know a country, what is happening. Yeah, Jamile. What time I can find the suit or motor malai finti. Mobika and then soldier than like alo membe kere. What am I doing for? People tend to know what is happening.
But near most of the men go relax, let me talk for that. When Katara relax, I got a sea roller drum boy. I mean, esco food for time on Kaka Finti, the Kata stay house, Kafinti Karam, Serakunda Yoloma, like Kata Bricam Yoloma for a boy. Okay, me talk. Yeah, me talk for that. Yeah,
So what I didn't tell be what we are trying to do, we are trying to talk to the younger generation. They can meant for catch them young. Until we are young. We are in our 30s, I'm 34. You understand? I'm too young. We have a long way to go. So what I didn't be, the focus is not about Mulmen Alonko 40, 50. Okay. But what we are trying, but let me learn. Okay.
Yeah.
Ikam mole. Nobody na. Don't kill the Bijan Kamal, but neither and said,
No, continue. Can't worry. Continue.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, I'm screaming more busa.
All right. So come for ni sugutin do nga try nga makoy momo bi mol juwe kanyang. Let's try to raise funds for her. Right now she's in mile 2. The $25,000 ya muta wala ji. So being a young guy, lafta kana jane kal dani momo ifem so either €1 lom, $1 lom, $10 lom, 10 fem kolom. Let's try to help her. Ngal na menka among correct, but also we all make mistakes. So nga try to nga makoy on this wave number. Somebody can type it 7070345. Let me type it. Yes, 7070345. Momo anything so the wave right now. We have 1,400 people watching us. So let's just try to help a sister out. Mungala below joy fintinang another family reunite. This is what we are saying. So arama laka olof nag bu leen ma rëy nag zigi ne ko fii so lu ma nekk di explain mooy benn xale bu benn jigéen daal benn jaaxa la benn jigéen la dafa xee ak beneen moromam daal ñoo ñaar ñoo xee nag ñoo itale alon je keletal so kelo ñing kono moom ok si diggi xee bi kooku noonu daf ko gaañ keneen ki daf ko gaañ so bu ko gaañee gaay yóbbu ko mile two right now George bi so George bi lu mu wax moom kon daf ko gaañ so kooku tam dafa war a dem faju so balaa mu faju moom daf ko war a compensate $25,000 so $25,000 boobu moo tax sax ñu def live bi ni pour koo xamante ni da nga bëgg a dimbale boy bi nga try nga lifin jànga bi nga fay $10 $20 $100 daal wala ma beede sur account la femme be for money account wala nga sunguto ñi mako dara jigi abantan
comme ça bopp demee focal yaa mooy bopp lu muy wax loolu moo tax comme beneen jigéen moo xee ak beneen jigéen mu gaañu ndee ko ni rek so gaañu boobu noonu gars yi mu tëj ko si kaso so léegi lu ñuy bugga loolu moo la xaalis pour ñu jënee ko si kaso bi xaalis moo nekk problème lu ñu def foofu noonu di reste boo muy def pour moom mu jënee foofu ok loolu rek la ñuy bugga yeah there you go
okay Ziggy so let's just conclude now. I'm about to go.
Yeah, okay, I have one point. Okay, Sai, what about Bob? Okay, this is an idea. And then wala mo purka banko e falling. You can understand. You must kunda mbeje boje because ntol foni ntol man kontana la and mo jamal man kontana banko dingol be man kontana man sa kunda mbeje kiling le kontana mel la fa pour bataay ka. Okay? Nterebe diam kanyem side la. Okay? What about cause science by you are well known by people and mo jamal fa nambe gambe meram foni ntol and they are well known by people. You can understand. I myself I can come and join with you people and then puru nyimba mansa kunda mba fale na nyade wala mu ndol bina na vote for example. Okay, na te comme ça na one candidate, okay? One pool oni wakata oni na bela blakini. Na jibe me alanko political party le me alanko atelen sembo so Gambia. Manam fe kam family, right? And then no pool oni sika na ala waka na tambini. Ningo pool na ala kan na tambini na jo fana be disem sit la sama kan Gambia me alanko. Na jindi. Manam fe kam family. I can come, but mtenite for example, mpare tam fitita Gambia, mfitita. People will come and listen to us and they will follow us. For example,
adi get moment. Right now, I'm talking with facts, not with any lies. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now, our population over Nyame. Not more keme be Gambia, more keme. More town war ni lulube 65%. Ibe mo funding ke lede many alonko from 35 to do man reka diam wolle. Yo funding ke jele bi mo yando ko mo funding ke. Ibama wole fama be la filal ko ite tambatela. So ni mo funding ke use nol diamta. For what we are saying is exactly. We want a young, vibrant leadership. So, we are going to dig some and enjoy my. Among you, many other again. I do not have a character to be fun, like to be honest, signing Lincoln step on in Dala and a funding in at this moment. Maybe at a work like us we think. But the problem is like because na pulo long for example, just a mind, right? Manam feka na point ni no pulo long fama and then to vote men sota. To vote kafla one big political party lo me alon ko ndalan ko nyim atele mu political party de sign them sa ko jikome me pour Gambia. Na vote na di wala and then wol finance position di no to la. Yanda be miraka. What is the best way? We need overhaul sensitization. Sensitization wolom ko sonse fintele nga diam mole. Ya understand? Ya jele I saw one picture of Jomayan Sonko. Even sire nun konyolo ke be diam ga dinul damane. So it has to start from somewhere. What we want to start is we want to go in from coin to coin. Go to go. Football field to football field and talk to these young people. Kaidan nila ko ndel man ko do so ka dila. Ndel man so ka dila, but we want to give you a very strong institutions. We want to give you a very good economy. We want to give you a best healthcare. We want to give you best agriculture. So once you put these ideas to them, those kids, those students, whatever get an ambassador to go back to their houses, to go to their parents. Mira. Atel la fanta la nyato talla. Bosigi. Gambia jamo ko doku nin kolta jata jande. We just need a better pay scale system in the Gambia. Man, if I understand. Agriculture the man in government right now, yeah. Any other thing, namang agriculture there and in health. Another budget mo 100 70% of bedung health ni agriculture kono. Just imagine right now, ni but yalo na Gambia nte ka fa Gambia stop to birikamale. Ni tamida birikamala. Fonta la base fo nya ko e fo tamasansa. Ha? JB mu fen ko le JB mu wulolam. JB mu wulol. So why can't we use those lands? Nga jege agriculture center. You understand? Come like beat and Gambia ni starta ka Kakumba wall, Kanul, Jatol, Tulul, Efengoratol, Tiol. You understand? Ni starta ka Senoke. Bantala Seno Janaji with 3 months from say July Kanate, July June Menkanalote. Ndala Mero Badibu Base Bansa Wali,
but do you know that because in 2026 Menkanane, Nintul Pata Puka, Nimasa Kunda in Jinis are Jinno. The fact that coming for the near if the young people want to do it, what the Kafako Mobe complete, okay? Because we don't know point of right because idea okay, we have to talk to the other political party. This is the biggest political party, okay? Join together as a hand, but when a party okay? Because I will be one pool into the party. O party into the vote men soto, Dolmina Waleta, Nani political party, London, you can be the biggest political party, na Kafunyoma, and then now vote killing.
Yes, it's possible. It's possible, but I don't think
it will done by a KFM party, a pool for me at a walk.
No. In life, never say never.
No, because in life, never. Do you know the reason? Like because this is your first time, Purieta step on your first time.
No, okay. Normally in Africa, we want instant success. At moment after instant success, like Abundi Bara, you can you have to look at
the
long take. No, but you have to look at short-term plan and a long-term plan. So the short-term plan, let's have a formidable force. What I'm forced to remember, we have to go and do the sensitization. We can do it next year. It's very impossible. It's possible, but it's very impossible. But imagine if we start, how many years they failed, they have failed. That one we winter. But we can Gambia, election everybody's quiet now. Nobody's saying anything. So they just need to wait until last minute. But in Kamemfo, we need to have young people to participate. Young people have to come into this.
Okay. Okay, but say, nina political party tamindi as small the biggest political party no tamindi. Okay, I cannot more pick follow guys because na program on your map political. So nobody have to pick anyone here. Okay, so
I'm even going soon. Yeah.
Okay, na political party na jibe political party is the biggest political party right now. Me anko jiko by. You can understand. So the fact that nindol na pulo lo nimfamai. You can understand. O pulo ni na vote tika na dibo. What antol diam kan already. Just purka ni masa kunda na bondi na mole na jata kende asoto. Banko kam femol dabe jawyarin. Okay, banim ko me na step ota na lon fire and vote ni talala mo vote kam. Abikala lose a vote let. But
no. There must be a coalition. But in Kamemfo, the first step back in then the more be respect. They have to see that what you have as a yardstick. Yardstick lo mbini nda bob kena na ndiam to mo ngafo okay left ngina. Iba for say ite wala minto. But bi ni aje ko mbelom da tel membe diaspora. Atel membe tulal tal bebe diamla. Ndel mem fo on the ground jam. Betala from carton to coin and be more sensitized la. Lunki lendo nga see. And even this is going to the artists. Because Gambia jam cross nyame ni dara Senegal jube ni problem start to call ila artists ila TikToker ila influencer they come out to speak to the people because they have followers. People like us then the artists will be program also we came out and we buy tickets and give it to people. So we are not saying that they should be part of politics, but they have to be part of movements. So the movement is going to be like we are going to sensitize more. But we'll get another topic later for another day. Right now I have people waiting for me outside. Maybe we can just wrap up about this girl also. Then I think we've been here for 2 hours now. So
Bob Najibe after na call ni areng and then Najibe dan konto nyuma sakunda bole je nyame and then nina di dole na amang kuke. The same thing na kota kana finti and then mole la nyoka and then na sakunda nyum bole. That's all. Yeah.
Yeah.
For my own
So Ziggy, content the bakele. I'm so happy. We had this frank discussion here. Kumula mandia, ninga kuma faja mealon ko akwera momo erekibe hako buendela niya. You know, it's not my fault, but I just want to say this again. Ndeleta munyoti. Gambe do yata bakele.
Leki ya mol jibe kan science stay house odo. Kana wori. Ndol ko ndol ko ko kana wori.
Na ongol. So mbe koko fana doro nga try nga ke kidente. Ndele bora bakele, ndele bora fakele nga nyola business or support nga Gambian ya support. Ya una sa neaje bi narol be bora nan Turkey, narol be bora nan Egypt, narol be bora nan Syria. Ikana Gambia je ka business all yele. It's all because of there's something in Gambia. Ya una sa bi ni tara village o restaurant Jamal Mimbe bi je narol le tam. Ni tara Senegal be restaurant Jamal bi je narol le tam. Ni nara hotel to jube restaurant Jamal bi je Gambia narol le tam. But if we Gambians start supporting Gambians, it be difference general because they don't respect you. Bika naro jala na company jala Gambia, alo o Indian na company jala Gambia. I tell staff should be body from India and the Gambia. That is nonsense.
Yeah.
Because Gambia don't live jam many along they are going to schools. Many along go family bama school le they have to be in that position. You understand? But it ka do ko tale ay la jang e ka do ko mendi Gambia lon la wala meta fitarola. Or maybe it have wait yala. What we want is more kind of menna. Itelka documente kela more jola lafta le gamel jola. Malafika chicken change di gambenola. Ninda dala jimpex come. I don't go to the shop come fall. Because you can come outside and come and invest in Gambia. But you cannot bring all your people from outside. Yena na Bangkok, yena staff so jamman na yena country mo na ja. Gambenola katar sirim banta nila kilianol betambela ye kuman. Alta incliano commanded. Ni bagas ol nata ye commandera bagas chika yake na motokoro. Ni fali ya dogo sire ali gambenola. This is not what we want for our brothers and our sisters. And these people are going to schools. Mental slavery long. You understand? So government have to come with a status quo. Momo na de company la Gambia. It's more than that, no. But the full when they can company don't no need to name them. Ni selta sanda bemu na rolled. Bemu Indian rolled. They don't respect Gambians. 1 minute. You put a car park out of in Indian way of park la. Well in narrow Indian way disrespect.
Na banku di wala ni mol pare da man sa kuna fale wakara wal bebe bolen na banku kana be sera.
You understand? You kick them out. Nangil land kendo membe siloka ya be allocated tele and these are lands many along they will come back to the Gambia. This is what we are fighting for. So ukamala dal mbeten to mbe jaila. So bisuto kan kada isun but bin kada isun dule nak so nyali no.
Isun dul nte fere lim fonyo ko dan kay mo bino bi kay mo nte fere nte mina makaro busa na jibe life to maybe.
Yeah, so ziki ita fana mbe tankla mbafole be menke ka natale be kilin ke ka traya at 100. We are proud of you.
No dani 2026 kana na kana wori nte fonga le be ndunda ye moto dan sandina doro ni mole ta
yes, and then even more pinde kan nyame mbe duale fana ma le fana pinde wonya ila fta fen fena la male aki yama inshallah. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Wallah. Thank you. So guys, sunkure ni wonyi alkana nyina kama ko let's join together one hand one Gambia na sunkure ni wonyi support right Allah ko lon be ci kala bari bari folo na diam comme ça quand même fo wala mu nyinti ndol fo ni cewle mu Gambia de bité ñum prêté ñu banko falina ba falina le in a way that minimum belala ñu kanne fo ni ke dantal me yalon ko they are well known by Gambia. You can understand and ni na as unite ngire kilindi billah wala adam baro lay masakuna ma bondale 2026 abi jilal. You can understand the only hope wala mu UDP party de melon ko the biggest party right now hope memem bloko Gambia dingul an nyaayel anana na carte fayota na keso bela ñu kana di UDP la ndol fo ni tol membe na 14 na vota na pulo ni fayo o pulo ni membe la lan tol kan ibe tol support la okay o pulo ni tol bole kala party kana na di UDP la manam fa kam family. You can understand so ni UDP sembo soto you can understand UDP atilam the only party because mota fo ko yebo down ka jiduma le you can understand UDP la only party mi alan ko hope by Gambia because minam itolle ka carte fayota ya lan ko say ni sunya roman keje ay tata wi ni sunya roman keje ay tata wi so ibe bolo tanya di ko kata party ndi ngol no ma dume ka ko mba hope dina wala pour weta jiduma na ji UDP mo le jina wala kan ko kana la wala kan pour wala win tuma ndane mo moy how many years UDP be kirkiri a party be abe lori wala mina join together the UDP and then nina jibe o leader ning amantra banko samaka nyato na bondi je na do sindi je wodo na beje na jamfa yeah but not have a call sabaka nyama there is no need ka ni mu cheba ni mu dinine we don't need that what we need unite na masakunda yinda na bondije masakunda ya simia lanko na lanko jiko be nyine science there is only one hope wala mu UDP la masakunda ko bold yeah so nende kana na kekilinti ndol be mu fonintol we are not well known by people natana na vote ni fangwe na fonintol ta ni diamu yemul moy ya katawdin tol bera e kana stand ni na ya katawdin tol lo pulo ni no pulo ni mina america nata na la UDP ka e kana stand UDP win that's the only thing 2026 100%. You can understand? Esa fa na diam, I na join UDP as one Gambian. You can understand? Ni UDP na le party nyinga ande you are sabaka nyama man correct. Na UDP na jindi. Ande na vote akotenga na dimole na lonko nyinga atele banko samale. Mekere kinati banko nyaade da. Senegal yake nyama ule yake kilinde bandol Gambia ntakele ule because minamu na mol dambal katara nyo kele kan. Nyima sakunda bantol nafa manam falka family, you know what I mean? Because the problem is like na banko batado ne beje kaira banta na banko kam minam mol be sasa kanne mol mantra kende adu loptalo to borol teje moto daja usama do bodol naga e be patini kele bita banko to banko e minana e kada stand amantol nafa moto kilmo wo sana 1 million wala 2 million boy it's too much banko dingol mantra kende ari we need changes we need better Gambia baro must go baro ntol we don't need you and we have right to speak out yeah na right to pulkata ni ntol me need yeah because imantol contandi you know ntol banko dingol banko contandi la ko la so momo nate ko kana katto faytale to banko dingol ta banko tata baro we don't need you yeah we don't need you tata say not a baro guys la fodo ne baro must go ala busa ko meno baro must go we don't need baro you can understand itala mo la foni ntol ta yebe sen soko ntol fongo be bula tawla ko naja yen sen soko ni kay to mulo ko ndamura na tubabu ila passport da mulo ko you can understand typical dia
yes alla kacha kumada fani nke on ga alla kacha kumada yo alla interview kumada bake men kumada la live fonde musino me surrounding so momo e ko demanding warama yasura yaki we pro bondi kaso kono so momo yake barajo le beje baate be kaso nin kono so pro kalbe akilo blandi je so ani fulan jang on left men contribute we down to focus jang halon jamaata la flaka jan la moy bar ñene mu to ñaati sigi anasan okay ni de tabiro ke sa ndumol wato sita e kam moy la okay ni de tabiro ke sa ite kana tararo la pour ngana domoro so sa ni ndako ko ndebi da jonkilo do dula ñine to janni ta pare la ta me alon ko mota already ngalon tina sila mbeo do mbe ko no fa ngay do bat okay so membe je nin Gambian la ko lafta funding ke wala funding ke jalle be UDP kon ko be men kumata be mkachalati masan ba usen be kelo men be ke ka funding ke wala ba usen enjoy men o men ke bi ay men balo bi manasan anate ala life enjoy nyamen mamela dobe je ko den men mina tambile wala ko den manasan okay but nim funding ke wala nata Gambian be a jonko Adam Barrow must go al nga join together manasan so say but then say nin Gambian ol benar land killing kam so ba usen ninda diam na lafta la funding ke wala hello masan ba usen baje ko yes atalok interest o da wona jata la kaso da manka da ma kunti manka la interest o da mat Gambia dingol la interest o la ka be kelo ke ka dingol lele ana maringoli say ndol mo maringol ndol mental say dingol menta say ndol fane na nga la nyo kan ndol funding kewlu nga Adam Barrow masakundara nga dam bayni kole yana da bi akanan to le kankano bi funding ke be pa bi soto ela banko kanne masa ela korda kono le yeke baru sore korda kono le ye muske waru sore korda kono baro muske baru sembo ma menno re fannin jaw kole no eda sembo kole no so sa ni nara nanje comme la bi pa bi rin kilimbe suwo kono bi wo sulare ma ko rol eda fannin jaw bi da ma ko ni mo nata ka ku furu eda fannin jaw be lola ba sa ni Gambian ol nara belo ra nyoy tenteng dina bi bar ko ni mo nara te ko patiolo e one day e one year party te ko yole lo Gambia man ko banku di de Gambia da ka fu ko den nyonte je ndele daraja da Gambia beti mansan yete ye fandum kudo kono ena je Gambia no le na busi kono ena ite ne ko dem jumati okay bar ko la ngajere ko UDP is a major party mansan bar bi Gambia political party be almost 19 political party adi won me jama be olo be funding ke olati 2021 funding ke political party jele tarala Adam Barrow kam tal ko ngala wala wodin crucial because am bi ni wol lefta ga banko bon ni ajere ko lafta politique ite ko dem politicien olati ite ko yela politique party yolo sa yela politique party yolo mune kam mo comme like man sa membe je amano lafta pour falindi role so sa man sa kana na ka million kilometer la ite kata lawo ke kata ke fa wafo e ke ni ñom banko dingol ñaji kotenge yalo masi boldi bala fa teje yembe fo jam ñemu tonya na kanoti ndati bi kala badi bunga mbalu nyaabe nyi nyaare janne man sa bal na duta na family kan dal kumal nan nebo soli kan da kumani nan bal sa nin na ka UDP jube bi ngo UDP bibi la laten Adam Barrow man sila political party la Gambia ko mentam na UDP la
wodo na mala headache ti sande
okay ay mga Adam Barrow ma be nyim political party dinul maka because aka fele ko nte musama singolti ni nga singulo ko be nyagilal banata ya fan suma kade musamol ay anyon sama do hayna nan aka sila wolale okay so wala ne mol ke dang to fo do ba ko Esafal is our Gambian man san but still Esafal also have a time it will be a time also man san okay comme mo Esafal la recommend solo ko Esafal fanaje tonya de a mantra fansu interest on into Esafal left banko le falling okay say ngaje ko kabi 2021 ye IEC na carte ki so sunya Esafal ni borole ko daboya mama kana ni borole ko daboya ba jani be ni boro be ko la ba fal ko manso ni resource solo ngal is a right time ba nintol kom be lafta kengis le be lafta banko la Cairo la banko la nyaaduna is a right time dol be na nga laño kam ban ni problème o keral ye borna ko ha ni lele sembo so al nga loy kam ne fa sambe ti kelo nyinge no we don't need that mansan yanko ba dabo be jele yang ngin do falam be je do ni do falam be je so men ko mada jam Gambia politician be a lon kom be munku watile kodo biden dunia be falintale dunia be bitaka nyaado Gambia dab mala be komo son dolla jigi da munati na balwoni kon dolla jigi da munati nin nga konnante abo nin dam mal tema nga ku sama na Gambia ba mialo ko be kan tol be la Cairo Adam Barrow mano bar Adam Barrow bi aka fanninke din kurol lel ta ke jo ko dola ken nakindala a fanninke jahilol talaka moto bal dile kela forayate ka wafi Adam Barrow so say kanalan kotenke fanninke o mialo ko be dumaten nyin gala youth nde men for gala youth ndol fanninke be we all have to join with this gala youth nin 2026 election of an sita modi yela bodal muta forena kilinta carte of file je ngaita nim paral ko munen ni ñoo siyo bari gambe gar be barako julo be sanne gambe banko gam so kafo me alo ko na lota tonya kam bañi gala yut ni ngajere ko bi momo tonya ka fintle ye tonya ni fo bi felente taman sero bonna fanninke jama be je bi e be sonta jin gala yuso ko gal al ngay loy ko nge sementiya halibe tubaw du jande yela ko dota yaake ko ta maborinje ni mansa kunda e kuru ya ka ye finti hanna tara domorol le bukale tarra silo kam we are ready for it to pay malasa bar ngaje go banko is blamed funding kewol nanta ke nyoma ko pour banko ta nyaato ba ninna banko nyi funding kew dan tambeje bi e bebe kuntili interest no bal ni e mo lafta banko la fal bal zigi te felendim bi te felendi ete be nyaato so san de fete la nyaato ta e tam nda fane bula ne mo ni kon be bula no man bal bi jama UDP kong ne burora bi e solbe damma be lafirna Gambie continue sofala Gambie continue koleala Gambie continue balu koleala to lafani to fala sara ko hannara yuri masakunda sodla kadu ya hada madingo kong fede fon ke tora ko ya hada madingo kong fede fon ke jihada ko ya hada madingo kong fede fon la wulunyol ke tora ko masakunda nyi ko ye leptano la kumo ma janen doke leptano me yalo go yal kumo ma jambi UDP ngada mam kataje hari mel yalo be Adam Barrow support kam wal bama ni fama nol dingol ni la musul kara leptano nyin dol Gambia be kara leptano marso la kolantol be kara bi saji o me yalo ko rek bi ka saji kilo ka 40 something thousand saji o pour le yang me yalo ka binaka son do la mansa kunda be munake kan tolye saw saji on mel yalo ko nana sana 40 something thousand 30 something thousand abek duno kanal antol malon leltam malango dolbe je karo kono nyin banna solo me yalo ko mba walin kalde ikamen jo ila family da maka se amora 100,000 sali bayotinala balu wotinala leyan sotinala alinga kafu nyoma nga banko bonarantol be ko nga banko so don jusu kungola narantol be lafta Gambia la nyaato tal bari bi sina fanninke dantaje ko lafta fanninke masakunda fine lafta fanninke masakunda bal dimon na tan be kede kilinti fanninke masakunda be sotla abe sotla nyaadi dem hani ba Useni yaje comme like bi Gambia be son teleko UDP ni latan tol kang mas Adam Barrow la masakunda bolale bar ba Useni bar lefte fana pour nga funding ke jube UDP parti ko membe lora funding ke karana jelle be UDP parti ko na ban funding ke jelle be me alo ke se keno mansatile bar bi anide bari toltina la UDP kan e tol ko ila voice anila kango tama UDP o be keno la ba e mantara der korra ko e mankana korra dini e ta ko la voice e tamaje alba Useni falin folo ngana join yalo mu fera to manyalti de because en bibila men ko na pour UDP parti o be farala nyamen tema bari ye hakilo bulandi fanna ko el fajel le duwata nyim parti yoy kabiri ya jambe akata manyi patio teno je Adam Barrow nata manyi patio teno say fanni ci lafta fera jawo do sambalna alna nga kafu ñoma Senegal man fisan tolti Burkina Faso man fisan tolti membe Burkina Faso president haninta tibigal la siyatan bari bi way hamo men son del be hamo son del be tidum tuba du jam ni nga kolo men dogun ka tri ko be ki na Africa le nta ga be ki Gambia pour Gambia development no jumala ka bungo san tuba du jam jumala ka bungo lo tuba du jam ngala foni ki jama ka bungo le lo jana fole ye bungo sankor Gambia banko ka e balu nyale fali ye compagnie tangue o nge support bar bi politique parti mel bebe Gambia billahi wallahi talla ni mem mansong comme wol ye juben ko temu politique temu Gambia din jawolati al nana we put our hand together ngani masakunda dang al yaje bi kelo membe tamaka yalo ye kele ye political party o UDP le kele ka adam boro ko UDP le ma bar bi nga dojele me yalo ko ngir adam boro ministry aya dafa UDP ko la meyo ka aya dafa esa falika yaje masakunda be tunkan kanyame ni tunkante melunta kana nyalo nyim political party ol be ka kanantol beta kan nyaji fanni kewlo zigie daminta fo alina mbeke together ti ngaji ko UDP is a major wala sutiara kanyo bundala ngatanga UDP politika party onta nga support den ngatambi Adam Barrow le masakunda kurula me alo ka taje nyaa
mol fana diamu ya malbe diamu ka nyimo okay nyimo right mol fu ye diamu ikamol this stop le UDP kuma kawe ba fo kam I even have headache I don't want to listen to you boy
no okay na sunga no diamu say farwara dan sun
my brother Emel Fati nge konton Ziki ngal be konton typical
nam
nga mo rebe ni youth sol ni youth sol me alon ko yenyi ka fo me lo afelente ato botam kono science be men to fo kantem
gala
nga mo rebe di am la gala la ko la barista ni hakilo le la ko to baake yalon ko Gambia no man ke samuta nyoti ni bedu na ko kono fana ise 5 kilo dundi kono to ye kilo londi banta mbani fole
fokala lo rabil
nso mbani fole jang ma fa lota bi alota kunu alota sinindimba mbarin kamen explainer wala miniti ko ite ba amutari nyamen ani memba kono duma I manke kilo ti ya moy la ba ni be UDP fa sa so hani ni be UDP fa sa depend ka UDP support because mo be etalo UDP leta mu UDP lati but kana sembota galo la kola because there's different political party inside wo fenko kono wo kafo kono okay so wala na woto kay wala wo is no go area okay so Ziki ngana ka topic koto either you like yon son bantamina jilal dorom because natal pour ka fote gare UDP kamol ko dimile mal def ka to moy fan UDP Ziki either you like Adama Barrow or you hate Adama Barrow he is peaceful president in that country
and ma pronounce
either you like
ma pronounce good
yon so no problem either you like it or not amu moleti meye ten ko samba banko ka ikatele bane ya fane ya mumune ya mamane
tay muna nay mo mar fu sambal soron
yesulo mute yetela
muna nay mo mar sambal soron
yekino do mo yetela wala mo Adama Barrowti
muna nay mo mar sambal soron
ya ko aka wokele na ma soron
ana soron ne a soron ni gala yu de dara yette ga ci findita
typical ya Gambia gi
because en bi a soron ne
nka men foy the democracy Gambia have German don't have
democracy ay Ziggy farma dan so monare ne ko molo kala mol distract Adam Barrow Adam Barrow ni nyan la jam
ilama yo say mbatunte also ali ala kachake because kachame alon ko italafta for UDP is nice nobody nice in that country only
nobody
UDP
is
nice.
Perfect
No political party is good in that country only UDP is good. What is
no, I didn't say that, but UDP is better than MPP.
Typical. Let's be serious here.
Yeah.
Political party, they are opposition party. Ye mayor soto. Ye kiama, two kiaman. They have two kiama and two mayor in that country. Ila institutional. Itole ka sunya roke institutional membebe entire Gambia.
Eka doku menga yofola.
No doku, yamun doku leke.
I didn't get you.
You're gonna do cool after all of them because camps
I didn't get you.
Gambia and Matsom and
Yemuna Sunya.
taro himali kulola institution to KMC banjuna institution to
Okay, sai foi lo ki mai do na ma do kola. Dara yaje mere sunya yaje mere fongo ko sunya ro men kena jani Adam Barrow sunya ro men kena je. Yaje mere fongo la Adam Barrow fo lo ta kama kala.
Ntolma yaje mbele kumo fongo.
Ani de ke nyinin kale. Adam Barrow le la dia mo ko ni mel be ke kama kala se new to him.
Bariana ko ya Adam Barrow ko même be fote yewolo ne ko wo watay mo ko ne bo afro be kala ba usen be under the government.
Aya kala mudala sai muna ne ba usen to
ba usen be under the government.
Muna ne ba usen to boje
ba usen ya la dibitol de advice akala dibitol kanana kana wo fengol muta kadiamo fengol ko le UDP la dibitol yebe condemn le pour kanana ka join together ka
ani wonta toñati man kumo la moy fa dans so la moy farma dans so
okay bye guys
ani bye te je yek kumal fo jam me
let me listen to you in downstate.
Yeah, for say misleading.
Because you are talking too much.
No, you are misleading here. You are misleading here.
I don't want to hear UDP.
Ita Adam Barrow nyinya la jam. Adam Barrow masa kunda ne dindin ta woro ni fenna fana je. Adam Barrow masa kunda falin ke gelle ka sarata je. Adam Barrow masa kunda muskol ma lel fata tingol. Ya lo ka kate uperka.
Adam Barrow masa kunda yena problème ka yesu ka yekasa. The time I was coming in Douglas here 2015, milk kekyo is 60 cent or 50 cent kekyo. Now it's €1.99. Munjo, German, the real German dungol ba kumbo ka foko. Stop it. Okay, no problem. Let me leave you guys. Okay,
yeah, dipito la kuwa maja. Okay, yeah, dipito la kuwa maja.
Help me.
Guys, again, dipito la kuwa for Janko. Iko kana diama kuonyena. Because ngajela ko dipet gelle kera indi ne palme no nyin kono. MPP dipito le siata, always do le kawin. Balasan. Okay, baroye kafu jelle lo men kera commissionnaire. Baro ko commissionnaire nyina ko la ko mu miro doron net wala mira kenso ko la fo. Masa commission jelle kera Gambia me ala ma implement. Commission jelle kera Gambia me ala ko karno len naflo kasara masa kula be mra yesa ma mailtu. Commission jelle kera je. So ni aje ko UDP kan dibitole ko comme like nyim ko ni kana kacha because yalla no ka bina la man min tolam. Kani bita debate lela den ko leta la nyokan ani not alliance e fama ka tomo jana mo yeta nyokan ni support abal ni ko nyen baro dan so baro ndol bi ta mu jere is doy ka nyantale sanji tay jo ke banko ke ko dana banko ta
typical doy now
and so I diamu bang typical akayatel
also
Barrow must go acha Barrow must go
ngal tentu baka you know typically
Barrow must go. He disappoint Gambians people definitely
ngana sister for tentu fa danso ala kuma kamalla this is Gambia. We are all entitled to our own opinions because whatever we say here mbe man ku jaw soto banko the problem is kan nyaton ko feli won la soto mel yalla ko banko mislead andi kan da mal fayni nyoko wala yatina ku jama be jinna diamol ko fo nyoko. It's not because of tol personal between tol but because of nyaton ko le nyato wala kam fayni nyoka yo ni nata jibe nin ko tara fa be tijaade to ya be tinya to kana ikane fam bondi ko kono le ye plan do yusum kamol ke comme like itol ma kalam ta nyimbe kerim because ni aji ban barola diamoto abe même fo kan ako baro ya fonu ako fion kan be kerim banko he is the most informed president comme ko be kerim ni masa ko ndakon atala kalo mobeti so at the same president na commission lo pour member commission of inquiry kala ko na ta ke fo kiskisiro ka fa banda akata malon ko moto nyin wol santa damen na ko sansa ko me wanyare mom furate ma den atala commission lo ala fa mu report sifa la mo so nyininka and then also fana ni o man futama fo as a president atata moto lo ko nyininka no ka moto wafta jella ato nyinin kala no so nyaton ko le kan tol mislead ila mislead wol ka nan mal ka ñoo misunderstand yo typical ka même foten about gala aka même foten about gala peoples they are not political party every political party back on and anybody that be right sort of nga ko al nga join ge because we are all citizens these gala people même fight ka wala ñinti corruption wala fight ka lafta corruption le banko kan so pour nga lo nga fa be join akon is our right because man laf corruption la ntol nyaton ko people nyaton ko is our problem. And also second another point typical coming from ko mol ka ko keba ngai dinno tammindi dindiwol be tammindi lan wo nyaadi dindiwol men be UDP kono parti kono dindiwol be jele men sikino man sati bar ganni baf la nga dindiwol tandinda tammindi andina parti ko na parti agenda pousse
all fail us.
nga parti la agenda pousse den sina ngala be munakal ya parti la agenda nyande wala pousse la fol nga ngala be munakal next mol man lef kana pour mole parti la agenda pousse ka fa dindiwol tammindi it lafta nga dindiwol banda min tote so gaaw diam ka it left nga patio bonda mu dino bonda min to wandi patio to ngasa ala on okay with ala on agenda so this is not fair gamme non la nganton ko lebam fande kan ñoko man ñana sona ñi action la bak ñenta focus la men wala ñinti ko be banko develop la ñama ntel fondin kel me ko ka fon dinno de ñenta focus lol ñami wala ñinti ko then we have to come together nga pour fight me yalam ko baron kam banko kam ajibe ñun la finto government mo na sembe kela no sai yama anything kela do me yalan ko at least ye iseti mbaliya biri yaade mo findita everywhere ye sadol call mo findita jebe do state kan inata mo na ke inata gi fofu la yo ba nata me kuma ko nga ko fight mo fula mo saba finta mo be sita koma ye nyaaka ngine ka na paral ka tilbala ke no mo la banko kan mbe nga Senegal gel enko gambia la security man siya aman siya civilian olti bar kambe wala fanan katina no to nyaa sabati ko nin kambe man ka rek den ka tilbaliyan gambe non nyanta men understand wala nyindi ko na ka tilimbalati banko ka ni ko nga kambe nga findi nga kele den be kambe nga findi nga kele moy nafiki ya bondi nga political bondi ji e ka few people mel yalan ko mul suksuk wala moto mel yalan ko ikele interest to nyun ko no because of their interest they challenge everybody because it will be lor men ke document soto ita bu ko soto ita be president ko men dile na ka se suwa kono it la fan tol use la pour ngeta face o kay ta men soto you understand so this is the problem me yalan ko man fiya ayani wenna diabo to jafol bak ko den to kana mufle god sig ala baraka baka yama
ga bela muli baraka
Yo kuma ka
typical
na buro tanki yema faron dan so bara fonsa bara commission wala na government mo rol karasi ka fa Senegal e kala millions ke ka diala mba wana sa na commission wala
Senegal mata fa dan so